Yeah. Okay, so this is as far as I got with the camera. There's a bunch of roots in through there, and you can also see, I wasn't able to squeeze through there with the camera, but you can also see at the bottom of the pipe there, it's broken. It's cracked and it looks like it's dislodged. So we need to get this cleaned and so we can see past it to give an accurate bid for a dig. Possible liner if the pipe isn't in too rough a shape. I had to take the skid off so I could get through this spot of roots right here. So yeah, the first thing that needs to happen is it needs to get cleaned. And then I can get all the way through with the skid on and see, a better view of this pipe. There's a possible crack there at the top in that joint. And there's consistent roots through here, so needs to be cleaned, and then we can give a more accurate view of what the state of the pipe is in. We do know that one spot is broken, which will have to be addressed immediately. I wouldn't do anything with this pipe until that's taken care of. So we know that much. But first thing it should be done is should be cleaned in camera to see what it looks like beyond that section of broken pipe.